Mm. Okay. Hi everyone. So yeah. So last session we have seen, right? So how we have implemented the page objects mechanism. So in session one. So like on the test cases, no, these are the page object design pattern test cases, and these are the page objects we have created. And also whatever we have seen last session, no? So till there you are good, right? Yeah. Today, we will see some more in detail way how I will tell you. Okay. So today, no, it's a continuation for the last page object session. Page object session. It's a session two. It's a continuation for the previous session. Okay. Mm. Now I have created. So here, go here. Now I have created two test cases. No, home page test automation. I'm going this way. Okay. Now we have created two test cases. One is home page, one is test automation practice. These are the two files we have, and there are two page objects files we have. Okay. Now this is my application, which we are going to work this application. So yeah, here we will start in by step by step. Okay. Now just imagine test cases are there. Test case one, test case two, test case three. Now just how many page objects we have created? Page objects file one, page objects file two. Okay. Mm. Okay, just imagine this is page of as a continuous for session one continuation. Huh? Okay, now so this is my application. So after this application, after clicking on test automation practice page, what it is, so it has some text area. Here the name, no, whatever the name we are giving. Suppose Cypress, this is the Cypress behavior. We are giving the phone number. This is one. Some email address. Some email address at gmail.com. Some password and some location. Just give Bangalore. So this is my first test case. Submit. Now these details are empty. Now I got the second requirement again. So in my second requirement, what will happen? I need to use the same elements or same text area picture section in this section within the same elements. I need to log in. I need to enter the details with Selenium. Okay. Now I need to pass some mobile number. Just you can mention here Selenium at gmail.com, something like Hyderabad. Now one more requirement comes after submitting this one. Means the elements are same, the section is same, but we are filling the fields with multiple sets of data. Okay, here. Okay, okay. Now, but whatever the page object we have designed right here, we are passing the data here within the page objects. Okay, suppose now my file. So what is the name I am passing in the page object one, file one? Cypress phone number, some number I am giving. Okay, address location. Okay, it is Bangalore. Okay, like so this page objects is by now test case one. So page objects, file one. So we are using. Okay. Now I got the second requirement. Second test case requirement is I need to fill the details, fill details. I need to fill details with names like these names I have to fill here. Name Selenium, some phone number, address location, Hyderabad. Okay, now test case 3. I got the test case 3. What details I need to fill? With the name, Oscar, and we'll use playwright. That is within the manual. Playwright. So these are the course content, course assignment. So just add it Chennai. Okay, now test case 1, test case 2, test case 3. See, now test case 1, this page object file is hard coded with these details. Now, if I am using this page object file in test case 1, this is working fine. But for my test case 2, I need to go with the different data. My test case 3, I need to go with the different data. But all the elements are same. What are the elements we have captured? It is already there in the page objects. All elements are same. Suppose if I use now page objects, no, this file for here test case 2, what will happen? It will fill the page objects file, but it will not overwrite with the Selenium. It will go with Cypress only. Suppose this page object file, I will reuse it for the test case 3. What will happen? It will not go with, it will not fill the name with playwright. It will fill directly with the Cypress only, because we have given or hard coded the data in the page object file. Okay, so what are the page object data we have hard coded in the page object? So that will take automatically for all the test cases, because the elements are same. All the test cases using same elements. So to overcome this, or to reduce the dependency, or to make more generic, no, generic, what we are doing during runtime execution in the test case level, we will pass the data and reduce dependency, reduce data dependency from page objects. See, from page objects. Okay, means we are making more generic. So this page object file can be used by 100 test cases, but data we are passing from the test case only. That we will see it how we are going to implement here. Now, so this is our test automation practice. Already I have the test case. So the test case, no, what it do, no, it will come here in this text area. It will enter the values and it will click on submit. Already we have the test case. This is the test case. What test automation practice is one test case. So I will make it. I will rename it as one. Test case one. Okay. Okay. Automatically we are importing. Okay. Now just copy paste this test case. Just copy paste this test case. So now we have two test cases. Just rename it. Two. Okay. 3 dot cy.js. Okay, now we have three test cases, but for now, no, I'm using the, okay. So I need to modify the test case, not the page objects. So it is completely wrong what I have done. So just remove it. So this is the page object. Little bit of, we need to modify here. This one. We need to modify here. One dot cy.js. Okay. Mm. See, always we should modify. See, we are passing that. We need to modify the test cases, not the page objects. Page objects will be unique one. So, what are the elements we are capturing? No, that will be we will be maintaining under the page objects. This file we are not modifying. Just we have modified the practice one, practice two, practice three. So these are the three test cases now, because we are passing multiple sets of data, right? So that's why this example I am showing you. Now these are the three test cases. Okay. Okay. Now try to run these three test cases. But so what are the page object? No? So this is the file, right? So by default, no, we have hard coded the test data, right? But all the three test cases will take the same test data because we have hard coded. So we will see it how it is going to execute. No? Okay, go to the specs. So give the test automation practice, run it. Test automation practice. Okay, see test again. See it is giving Cypress. So now test case automation practice one I have run it. Okay. Now run the second test case. See it has run the test case. See, this is taking third test case also taking the same data. So because the page object we have maintained the test data in the page object means which is hard coded one. That's why now we are making generic. This page object can be used by multiple test cases, but they can pass the unique test data while they are doing execution. So for that, no, what we can do, no? So here, no, enter username, right? So this field, right, enter username. So from here, what you do, you just make one argument here, username. Okay, and just pass here that username. I'm modifying like 3 to 4 elements. Okay, username, username. Now this username I have modified it. Go to your first test case. Where is that? So here, no, enter username. Just during dynamic, no, you pass here, or I will pass here names Cypress, or I will pass Selenium. Selenium. Okay, now mobile number, no, mobile number. Just give here mobile, no. This is my argument. Copy this argument. Whatever the name you are giving here, it should be here, same here because it's a method, right? It will take the same argument. Save it. Now in the test case one, just give what is the mobile number. 9900 Okay. Now provide the email address. What are the email address you are choosing? No? So let it be okay. Email address. Email address. So let it be here. This is the one, right? Email address. Give Selenium test at yahoo.com. Okay. Let it be enter password. Enter address. Enter address. No? Change the address. Bangalore. No? give location address. So come here and change the location address. What is the location address here? Give Bangalore. That's it. Now run the first test case. It's giving some error, right? See, it is executed correctly. See, Selenium. This one, this one. See, now what is it? I'm not making page objects hard-coded value. So this is the argument we are passing in the page object. During runtime, the respected user or respected test case, they can pass their own test data. So that's why, see, now this here he's logging with the Selenium. Now Cypress, no, this one, no, this guy is logging with Cypress. Let it be here. Just give Cypress. Cypress. Now give mobile number here. Some mobile number. 8800 8800 Now give here email. Cypress 28 at gmail.com. Okay. Now give the location. No? I will give the location. Bangalore. Bangalore region, Hyderabad. Okay. Now, okay, we'll run the second test case. See, Cypress, it has taken this date, right? The phone number sequence is starting with 88. The email address got changed. The Hyderabad location got changed. Means different inputs we are passing now. Now same do it for the third test case. So you should understand where we need to change. Other than that, nothing is here. It is very easy only. We can implement it. Okay. Here, no, use playwright. Playwright. Right? So now the upcoming tool, which is has more demand. So now 77770000. What is the email address? Playwright 22 at hotmail.com. So I'll give this one the address location. Chennai, I believe. Chennai. Right. Now run the third test case. See, it has taken, right? Playwright. This is the data Chennai, the address location. You are clear right now. So now this is the page object. What I'm doing, I'm not making it as like hard-coded values. We are not passing. If you pass the hard-coded values, right? If you use the page object, these elements, no, what are the test data it will you are sending from this page object? It will take for each and every test case. For that way only, we made it more generic, and we are passing within the test case during runtime. So this is very easy. You can pass multiple. You can pass different type of test data for different executions. So this is how it is implemented. Our reply is clear, right? And also I want to show one more thing. See, normally, the page objects, not only the element we are using, but we are also doing some action here. Action, no, we are maintaining the action also instead of test case, no, just in the test case, I am calling directly the method. See, enter password, enter email, enter mobile number, click on submit button. This is the method I am calling, but the page object means capturing the page object element. This is the page object element and required action. What we need to perform, everything I'm maintaining the page objects only. So here, what we can do now, we can do one more way, one more thing. See, now just I will add only the page object. remove this action what we are performing, and use the return here, return. This I am changing only for the submit button. Okay, return. Now this return, no, we are returning the page object element. Now the action, no, here test click on submit button. This is the page object element. Click on submit button. No, this is page object element, but action we have not given it. What it will do? Submit button. We need to click it. We can we can provide action within the test case, right? It also works. I'll show you. I will show you by running one test case. So like this also you can design it. See, the method, no, the approach you can implement in any way, but the test case should work, and that should be inappropriate. That should be appropriate. Whenever if you running, no, it should work without any issue. Also, that is the thing. Now see, what the test case I have, I can run. See, it has run. See, it click right, correctly click. But we are returning only the. I am returning the only the page element, but the action I am performing in the test case level. Click. You are clear, right? So this is one of the useful topic in Cypress. It will be helpful for you guys, I hope. Thank you.